and I spent since 24 hours $3,000. No, $4,000, $4,300.
Hello, how are you?
Hey, hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Nice to meet you. And good morning from my side.
Hey, thank you very much. I know it's late for you, isn't it? What
No,
time is it now?
it's in morning time here.
Oh, morning. What time is it?
It's 5:20 a.m.
Okay. Oh, which place you are in?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. You are a neighbor, India neighbor, right?
You're from India, right?
I'm in United States, but I'm from India.
Okay, great.
Yes.
So-
Right now in.
So let's
So
jump.
have you started day or you're still going on with the night?
No, it's morning. It's just started our day.
Okay. Generally, you all work so lately, right?
Yeah, most of.
Yes,
But,
I can understand.
but I sleep.
Okay.
Most of the time I sleep in the night and work on from morning.
Okay.
Okay,
That's
let's.
right, Mr. Arpan. Thank you again.
Yeah. Okay, let's talk about the work. So basically, tell me about your ideas about the website, cause I think you are the new in the Fiverr. Am I right?
Yes, I'm new to the Fiverr, and I spent since 24 hours $3,000. No, $4,000, $4,300. Since 24 hours.
Yeah. No. So actually, the thing is in the Fiverr. You miss. No issues. I'll be handle. That is on the Fiverr. You need to first negotiate with developer what you need, your requirement, price.
Is it? Oh my God!
No
I
issues.
don't know.
Yeah, just first of all, in future, if you hire anyone, just do this first. Just click on conduct and tell you requirement, pricing, blah blah. Then you go to process to place the order. I think it will be better.
Oh my God! Thank you very much. We could have talked our day. Almost $4,300 since yesterday. Almost.
No, don't do this before, after, because you need to negotiate with them, talk and let them about your requirement. That must be
Oh.
needed.
Okay. Now, just a general. I appreciate. Thank you so much. So,
Okay.
if now I have paid, so is the Fiverr responsible to give some offer? Hey, I just spent so much. I didn't know that it works because you never told me that it works in a negotiation. Can I talk with them?
No, yeah, we have this formality for the showcasing our prices, but it will be more or less based on your requirement. Yeah. Pricing.
They have added my card. I'm just doing a shopping.
No, just negotiate with them, because there is a button contact with seller, contact with developer. So always do that. So let's talk about your project. No issues. I know you are new. That's why you do. No issues most of the time.
How you come to know that I'm new?
Because I saw in your profile you are joined April. That's why.
And do you know how much transaction? Like you have a visibility that what Rohan has done a purchase,
No.
or how
It
doesn't.
It's doesn't show on our side. You just show in your set. That's all.
Okay, well, thank you very much. I and these are all our people. Since 18 orders I have done it, right? I got
In
a
24 hours.
In 24 hours, I can send you 18 order.
What type of thing you send offer?
Yeah, so started with a cold calling, all about sales. I like sales. Presentation creation, template design.
Or just cool down. First of all, negotiate with them, everyone, especially requirement. Then you place the order. It's a basic thing in the Fiverr or any other place. Even if you go to the shop to buy anything, you first of all negotiate what they want, what the benefit. Just ask them why I need to buy these products. That's all. Okay, no issues.
Yes.
Just tell the
Okay.
process.
Okay, thank you very much. So now,
In the meeting inbox, I send a link. Are you see? It's my
yeah, I'm able to see it.
So it's my WhatsApp link. Just click here. You will be connected with me in WhatsApp. In future, I'll be assist you for anything. So,
Okay, so what I was saying is that what you have suggested a good something, and one of the person I was just having, he is from Delhi, India. He was also saying, Rohan, I think you have done lot of shopping, but he was good. Like he was similar to you. He is going to make a phone call to the contact discovery, which I am going to use it. So, but now I'm going to work on some negotiation. I gave lot of projects to him. I do lot of outsourcing,
Yeah.
sitting in here. But anyways, I what